Good Friday evening, everyone, and welcome to this tropical update brought to you by 4FSU Weather. And we're tracking the tropics. Tropical storm Karen is out there right now, and you can see we've gone through a series of tropical systems. Only 2 hurricanes so far this season, but we are on tropical storm Karen. Now, during the month of October, we still have, a month and a half plus left of the hurricane season, and this is where storms typically form, pretty close to home here in the northwestern Caribbean, around where Karen formed, and also in the Gulf of Mexico. So prime breeding grounds for tropical systems, although Karen is having a little bit of trouble getting her act together tonight. Now you can see it's fairly quiet in the western Atlantic, but this blob here to the west of Florida and to our south is causing, some tropical trouble, and that is Tropical Storm Karen. It's very disorganized right now, very lopsided. All the thunderstorm activity is on the eastern side of the storm. Where's the center? You'd naturally think it would be right here in the middle, but it's actually more down here on the western side. And we have the latest stats for you coming up in just a second. I mentioned everything is on the east side of the storm, so keep in mind, say the center goes up here toward the northern Gulf Coast, all the moisture is going to be on the eastern side, and that could be over Tallahassee or pretty close to it. So we definitely got to keep watching the potential for some locally heavy rain in a couple of days. Current stats as of 8 o'clock, 25.9 north, 90.3 west, still well away from the Gulf Coast, but it has slowed down considerably over the last couple hours, and that's big news because the trough of low pressure, the cold front that's moving through the southeast, that could kick it more to the east and make it more of an impact to Tallahassee. But of course, we just got to kind of wait and see at this point. For now, though, for the next 24 hours, going to move north toward the coast of Louisiana. And then again, depending on how everything plays out, how quick the trough moves, how slow or fast Tropical Storm Karen moves is how quick of a turn to the east it will take, but coming very near the coast of Florida and Alabama and portions of Mississippi as we go into Sunday afternoon, and further moving northeastward over our area late into the day on Sunday. What that means is some enhanced rain chances and perhaps some gusty winds. Here's what the computer models are saying, still kind of in disagreement at this hour, ranging from Louisiana to the Big Bend coastline. We've got a lot of uncertainty with this storm still in the forecast track. But here's our best guess at what we can expect for Tropical Storm Karen. Again, generally, of course, it has to move somewhere toward the northern Gulf Coast. This cold front is really the game changer. How fast it moves, and again, how fast Karen moves, is how really the ultimate direction that the storm is going to go and how much of an eastward jog it's going to turn. Saturday is going to be fine here locally. Sunday is when the rain will increase, the winds will increase, and it won't be a good day to go out on the boat. Storm surge could be an issue as well. 2 to 3 feet above normal astronomical tides in the Panhandle. Shallower water near the Apalachee Bay could cause for even higher tides there, especially over the next 48 hours. And finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the boating forecast. Notice how not going to be a good day to take the boat out. 2 to 4 feet waves even on Friday into Saturday with southeasterly winds at 15 knots. 7-day forecast shows the rain really comes in full force as we go into Sunday because of Karen, but it gets cooler as we go into early next week. We'll just have to watch for the track of Karen very closely.